When connecting an org to CCI, you're going to want to use the CCI org connect command and then give that org a name. You'll see a Salesforce login screen where you'll want to go ahead and log in. Back in CCI, in your terminal, you'll see successful connect command. If you do CCI org list, you can confirm this org is indeed connected, and you'll see that under expirations, it'll say persistent. Now, if you're connecting a sandbox, you're going to want to use that same command, CCI org connect, give that org a name, and then add a parameter -- sandbox. Alternatively, you can actually add a login URL to go directly to that org's instance. Go ahead and put that login URL. And once again, you're going to want to log into this org. Now, if it's your first time logging into this org, through CCI connecting, you'll get this allow OAuth screen. You'll want to go ahead and click allow. Again, you'll see this congratulations message. You'll see once again that this org is connected. Now this in particular is actually a scratch org, so there is an expiration date, but it'll still show up here if it wasn't created through this terminal and this local machine, CCI, you'll see this expiration still for the scratch org. Now removing an org, you use the CCI org remove command, and again put in the org's name. Once you go look at your org list, you'll notice it's gone. Also, whenever you are in the middle of connecting and you would like to get out of that connection, you can navigate back to your terminal and you can hit Control-C on your keyboard. This is at least for a Mac. And that's how you connect a persistent org to CumulusCI.